Hey, it's your favorite wolf YouTuber, and it's me, Lightning Boulder, and it's time for another toy review. Hey guys, it's your favorite sparkly YouTuber, and she's blue and pale today. And today we're doing a toy review, and this is the biggest one I'm gonna make. So let's get started into it. So the main thing the first thing I'm gonna show, after I show Lightning Boulder and say about where I got him, I'll do all my Beanie Boos and then all my other stuff. So let's get right into it. So this is hat teenage Lightning Boulder, and he has a Rick and Morty hat on. It's my hat. My brother gave it to me. But hey, I'm a teenager, and you won't tell me what to do ever. Got it? Ow! Well, that's nice. Next toy, Beanie Boos. So the first one I want to show you is Wilma. She is one that my sister Whitley got me. Most of my Beanie Boos are actually from my sister. But, here she is. Her fur kind of got messed up by Bonga's tongue. But, yeah. So this is Wilma. I haven't played with my Beanie Boos in a long time, so I can't remember them. And then her husband, Perry, he was born with only one eye. From Bonga. It was actually from Bonga. Let's just say he has one-eye disabilities. Let's call them disabilities instead of Bonga chewing, just to make this video seem nicer. Might get it demonetized though. So I don't really know if this is a Beanie Boo or not, but this is Fluttershy. But what on earth? I found this in the back of her head. Look. In this hole right here. She was born with a concussion, with a rope stuck in her head, because her mother ate a rope. Well, here she is. Another little smudge. Okay, so the next Beanie Boo I'm going to show you is Lavender. I actually remember this one's name. This is one of my favorite ones. Here she is. She is Lavender. She is a lammy. There is a white one, but I don't have it. So I already showed Beaks the Beanie Boo, right? Yeah. Well, his girlfriend or whatever his wife is Kiwi. She was born with a brain tumor. Hey, watch it on my camera. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you is this dragon one that my sister, again, got me that. My sister got me all three of these. So that's sister got me number 3 Beanie Boo. This is number 4 my sister got me Beanie Boo. Her mane is a little chewed up by Bunga. Wait, no. She was born with a messed up mane. But she was still rainbow. So she lost her ear. And she was born without an ear and a little nubby ear. Disabilities of hearing. So she is deaf. She's usually sad, but we can make her happy. See? She's happy. 5 minutes into the video already? Jeez. Okay, so the next ones I'm going to show you are twin sisters, just with different, you know. So these are Tasha and Dottie. This is my first Beanie Boo. No, this is, she's not, but Dottie, Tasha. The next Beanie Boo I want to show you, yeah, just wait. This is one of my other favorite ones that my sister got me. Number 5, my sister got me Beanie Boo. His name is Ramsey. He's a Unilion. Now, there's one Beanie Boo I have to show you. Well, never mind. I guess I can show you her. So, this is Tabor. And she has a disability of no nose. So, she has to breathe through her mouth. Yeah. Okay. Back. Which toy was I showing? Oh, yeah. So the next one. Oh, this one. Yeah. So the next one is this one. Her name's Rosie Valentine. Because got Valentine's at school. So that's her. Wanna see? Oh, here's another disabled fam. What is that on the side of my screen? Oh well. So another disabled family couple I have here. The disability of smooth fur and barking. Adorable, right? Okay. So another disabled family. I mean, just the baby's disabled. But I don't think I've shown this one yet. But here is Black Beauty. He is completely blind. He was born without eyes. And his mom's Snow White. One side of my screen. So this is his mom. I use this as a mini little control thing. See? Just like that. Okay, so the next one I want to show you, I had this since I was born. Okay, so this is Lammy. I love her. The next one, I shit a lot, is Nighttime Bedtime Bear. Nighttime Bedtime Bear. By the way, I got this guy at a 1 day a year yard sale. So $10 for just a puppet, man. Okay, so here's some other wolves that I have. I also got this at the 1 day a year yard sale. He's a Wolfie. That's exactly what I named him at the time. He's stuffed by Beanie plush. My sister also got me this. Jeez. Ow. Jeez. So this is Mooney. He has an earring. And guess what this earring actually is? The security thing! I never took it off, but I'm glad they did that because he's a thug. So the next one is Little Red Riding Bear. Get it? So this is her. And she could do a flip. The next one is So. I could show a lot of toys in one video. Is the Harness Bird. So the Harness Bird. He's actually a pirate. I got this at Cracker Barrel. I had to beg my great-grandparents to let me get it when we were there. Cracker Barrel. That's where I'm gonna get a birthday toy. You can hold them like this, or you can hold them like the long way. Or you can perch him on your arm. Yeah. I think I already showed it, but I don't know, so I'm showing it again. Lightning McQueen. Okay, so this is Wiley. I want him at church. There is a zipper on here, but I never seem to know how to open this thing. So, yeah, it's a little pocket guy. But it's not working. I kinda got it, but not really. Oh, well, I can't get it, so there he is. My cousin Ben got me this guy. He's Brownie Bear. He's Brown Sugar. His name's Brown Sugar. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have 6 last things I want to show you. So, this is Ruby. She is another one that my sister got me. But I just designed these guys' hair before I put them on YouTube. So, this little bracelet thing I put this little bracelet thing in her hair. So this thing is part of her hair. Her pony, species is an Egyptian reddish pony. It makes sense. So the next one I have to show you is Topaz. And she's supposed to have wavy hair, but I didn't really succeed. Hold on a second. So I just added the sparkle to her hair that she's supposed to have. So I used water to so she's gleaming now. She's gleaming. Her species is the Jewel Pony. The next one is Cinnamon. I also designed her hair. So she is a pony. Well, she's Cinnamon, also from my sister. All 4 of these ones are my sister. But I don't have enough time. The last one is Rainbow Pony. This one is Star with 2 R's. So, yeah. And 2 field trip things I want to show you that I got were these. This is Tokidoki. Like that other one that I showed you, but version. Okay. Hershey! I have a question. What are the 4 basic food groups? Chocolate, 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 and then hot chocolate. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye Yeeters. I have no time.